Is it blue? Blue! Blue! It's not polished, it just has no overspray on it. Step number one. The original GTO fender, they had painted blue. Originally, they called this Lindell green. And after selling the 71 RT all original F7 green, I can't have another green car. So he couldn't either. He painted it blue, and that's why we did the flat black. So that's where the blue overspray came from. Say hello, Purple Charger. And now we're going to go back in and start sanding and buffing. $1,500. All right, I think I got two ready to buff. All right, here's the before. Hopefully no overspray, no paint. Let's see what we can make them look like. On and on. All done. Nice and clean. Start working on putting the headlights on the GTO. Coming up next. These little boogers are tough. It's not about squeezing them here. There's a tang there. It's that little one, so I'm going to lube that. Hey, that worked. Right there. All right, I think I found the easiest or best way to do this. Where'd it go? Come here, Mr. Spring. Time to test and clean some light bulbs. Yeah, we only need 4. Well, there we go. We got the headlights in. Alright. Low beams. Can't hear you. Do they work? Look at that. We got headlights. Next is the front grille install and the front bumper. Hello shoppers, let's put the GTO together. Low tone horn installed. That one wasn't working. Hey, we might as well play Name That Tune. Let me go shut the music off. Hey. Now we're getting there. Alright, things are looking good. To put this grill in, I had to spread the fenders out to actually measure it. You know, I don't know if it's 60 inches or whatever, but you know, the grill was 60 inches, so we need to give, or 60 and a quarter to give us some clearance. So here we're looking really nice. You know, I know that chrome bezel covers all this, but that's nice and tight. I like it. Over here, got a little bit of a gap. So I'm going to loosen up the fender supports on the inside and see if we can suck it in a little bit. Make it a little tighter. There we go, we got our gap. Gaps are matching, looking good. Alright, it's bumper time. Bumper brackets. And then our gloss black painted bumper. That's what's next. What do you think? Yell real loud. Let's vote. GTO, Goat, or Pontiac? We gotta pick the license plate.